Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix critical process died error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your PC cannot boot normally, you will need to start in safe mode. Turn on your PC, and when the Windows logo appears, press the power button to turn it off. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times until the recovery environment appears. Once in recovery, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and choose Startup Settings. Press Restart, and when the options appear, choose Enable Safe Mode. In Safe Mode, open Command Prompt. First, type sfc /scan now and press Enter. This will check your system files and repair any that are corrupted. Next, type chkdsk /F/R and press Enter. This command checks your hard drive for errors, fixes them if possible, and recovers readable information from any bad sectors. If these steps do not fix the issue, use System Restore from the recovery environment. If System Restore does not work, you can reset Windows using the recovery options. You can choose to keep your personal files while reinstalling Windows. Following these steps allows you to fix the critical process died error. Thanks for watching.